Hi all, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to create a Python application from scratch. So this video is most useful for those who are switching from other language like PHP or Node.js to Python. So if you're following me, they can add this project in their resume. So this is the live project we are going to build in Python. So in this, we having different modules, master module to manage all the stocks and all the other details. Then we having sales module for billing and delivery challan or quotation. This is the next module, expense for the expense details, and the later one, report module for tax audit report. All this is inside the report modules. So this is the four main modules for this project. This is actually a POS application, point of sale application. Of course, other than this, we need a registration modules. So there we can log in and register each employee. So this is the login window. So this is a live project in Python. We are using most famous Python framework, Django, to build this application. So let's start from scratch. So we don't have anything in our hand. So what are the requirements we need? First, we have to install Python in our system. Then we have to install Django. Then we have to customize Django. Actually, we know that what is framework, right? It's like a CMS kind of thing. So we'll check that in details. First, we have to install Python in your system. Here I'm using Windows. So in Google, just you type Python download. The first link itself .org website. It will take you to the home page. So here we have download option. Since I am using Windows, it shows Windows version. So after downloading this, you have to install. Like any other exe file, just you can install with double click. So if you need to use everywhere, we have to use set environment variable as well. So after doing that, just here to make sure it's working fine. Just for that, we have to check the version, Python version. This is the command for checking the version. So we having the latest version 3.10. So that is completed. We install the Python in your system. Next is make sure that PHP is automatically. Whenever Python is installed, PHP will come automatically. Just we have to make sure that it is coming correctly. So it's working fine. The version of pipe is 21.2.3. So next is the next important steps. We are going to install the most famous Django framework. For that, we have to use pipe install Django. Based on your network speed, it will take time. If it is so fast, it will download easily. So it's just downloading from the Django website and installing in our local system.